Hi friends, you are watching Arc Habitu, especially for young innovative minds. So in today's topic, we are going to discuss analogy. This is an important topic for NATA. So here we mean by analogy is the word pair relationship, not the figure relationship. How to relate one word with another in accordance with a pair already given in the question. Now let's check what are the points you should be aware of before answering the particular question based on analogy, word pair analogy. So the first thing we should check is the two words given in the pair. We should clearly analyze the two words given in the question pair or the original pair. So for example, a simple example, cat and mouse. So cat and mouse is the word pair given. So the basic thing the questionnaire asks us to do is to analyze the relationship between the two pairs. So for analyzing the relationship, we should analyze the words first and then try to connect the words using a conjunction or a connecting word. That is, what is the relation between the two words. For in case of cat and mouse, we can say cat is the enemy of mouse. So we are connecting the two words here with a connecting word, enemy of. Okay, but man and car, man and car. So we can connect the thing with either car is driven by the man, or car is owned by the man, or a man in the car. So we just have to use the conjunction. Okay, so try to connect the two words using a conjunction or a connecting word suitable in the circumstances. Okay, and then try to find the similar pair from the options. That is the thing we should do. So first of all, we should analyze the two words, then connect the words using a conjunction or connecting word, or anything that we feel to be related with, and then go for answering the question by checking which of the following pairs in the options will match the relationship which is given in the original pair or in the question pair. Question is more easier, that is, we will get a relationship between the pair. So the thing we should only do is to check whether the relationship is true for any other options. But if the pair is not given in the question and we are asked to find a pair which is true, this is a task which is more complicated, because here we should have a general awareness to connect these words, or to find if the two words are truly in relationship to each other, because it would be a fact, or it will be two buildings which is situated in the same place, or architect and a building, or the building materials which is connected in any way. So here we should have general awareness with us. So the two strengths to answer such type of questions are: one, vocabulary, and then general awareness. Now let's move on to our first question. So let us discuss the first question. Select the best alternative that has the same relationship as the pair of words crush and infants. So we can follow the points I have already mentioned. First of all, analyze the two words crush and infants. So what is a crush? Crush is a place where infants are treated well, or they are cared well. So that is the relationship between them. So crush, a place where infants are cared. Likewise, checking the Options: Deccan sailors won't match, cottage and guest won't match, and aircraft and crew don't match. But school is a place which cares the pupil, right? Which teaches good things to pupil. So really the correct match pair is first option, school and pupil. Now moving with the next question, select the best alternative that has the same relationship as the original pair of words evaporation and cloud. So evaporation causes cloud formation. Mountain won't cause snow formation. Book cannot cause pages formation, but and pressure cannot cause atmosphere formation. But yes, tension can form breakdown, can cause breakdown, right? So the connecting word here is cause. Evaporation cause cloud. Likewise, tension will cause breakdown. So that is the correct option. Now our third question will be partly for you guys to answer. So here the pair of word given is ammeter and current. I will say the relationship among the two words. Ammeter measures current. So likewise you should choose which among the following pair of words will match this relationship as ammeter and current. What will measure what? And if you know the answer, then do comment in the comment section. Okay. Now moving on with the last question. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. Kilometer, meter, so ton. So we should analyze the pair of word originally given, that is kilometer and meter. We can say both are the units used for distance measuring. So likewise ton and the other will be also for weight measurement. So we have weight and kilogram. Now we should decide among the option weight and kilogram which will suit the pair. So you can see that meter is a slightly lesser unit than kilometer, and so the word which goes with the word ton will be slightly less than the weight of ton. So here the correct match will be kilogram. So ton will be related to kilogram as kilometer is related to meter. I know that these questions are very simple than the actual questions asked in NATA, but yes, you can expect these kind of questions too. When I am uploading NATA complete question paper or multiple choice questions and preferential type questions half by half videos, I will upload more harder questions where you should use the knowledge you have gathered till now from different textbooks or tuition centers and also from internet. Okay, that will be based on your general awareness and more slightly harder vocabulary. So I will upload the complete question paper maybe in 1 week. So in that I will ask a slightly harder question, but if you know the answer, I have just asked the question before, I have given an hint. So if you know the answer based on the hint, then do comment in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions in my videos, then you can also comment that also. And if you want any specific topic, you can comment that too. Thank you.